Okay, making a video to show how to replace a license plate bulb on my Toyota Camry 2014, and this will apply to all of the Camrys in the same model years. So I think that's what, 2012 to 14. First things first, you gotta take off this little black cover because the wiring to the bulbs are back there. So to do that, you just take off these little quick release little nipple things using a flathead screwdriver. Try to get a small thin one. Just pry that under there, wiggle it, and it should pop out real easy. And then you just kind of just wiggle it out and keep this somewhere because you're gonna reuse it to put it back on. So for mine, I have about 13 of those. And we'll just take these out and show you the next step. All right, once you get the covering off, put that in the trunk, and here's your license plate light fixture. Disconnect it by pinching down on this part and wiggling it loose. Now there's no power going to it. And then you got these little clips on the side with the teeth right there on the left side. Pinch those in, and then just kind of like wiggle it inwards. Just keep pinching and wiggling. It's hard to do with one hand and a whole bunch of wires in the way, but yeah. So this is what it looks like, the fixture right here. You just got to pinch it and push it out towards your license plate. Okay, so here's the light fixture itself once you actually get it out of the trunk. The plastic part's on there. It's on there. So to get it off, you can try wiggling it a bunch. You know, eventually it'll pop off. But I found the quickest way is to carefully use a small flathead and then just kind of get under this little tab right here where it's actually locked on, and kind of pry towards it, and it'll pop right off. And hopefully you don't lose yours like I just did. Mine went right underneath the car seat. Okay, so after you do that, you got the light bulb right here. This is the incandescent bulb that comes with. And mine's burnt. And usually it's on there pretty good. I've already taken this off, so it comes off easily. But it was on there pretty good. So I'll just grab it and just wiggle it side to side. And I like grab onto the tabs here. I don't know if that actually helps. Just gives you something to pinch onto. But yeah, wiggle it side to side, and you're gonna have to do this quite a bit, but mine just came off like that. And here's the OEM stock incandescent bulb. I'm gonna replace it with this LED bulb. So this is gonna be more of a bright white daylight looking color. And this was that yellow color. Not very bright, but it's okay. If it's burnt, might as well replace it with this one. And oh yeah, let's put this back in. Okay, so there's that hole right there, and it should just go in like so. Just kind of find its way in there, and boom. Make sure it's in there pretty good. Try to press this in without damaging those LEDs. Wiggle it, make sure it's on there snug. Yeah, that's how it goes in. Connections are good. Theoretically, this should turn on just right. Okay. So to get your light fixture back into the trunk of your car, you just gotta do it in reverse. And it's just gonna take a little bit of finagling. You're just gonna have to wiggle it back in there. It's not gonna wanna go in there easily because of the angle and the shape of the hole right here. But yeah, just wiggle it back in there. Find your spots. Try not to break your fixture because it's just plastic, but it'll eventually go back in and look like that.